How to disassemble SP0066. Temperature control valve. Start on the back of the shower panel and begin by removing the 2 screws nearest the temperature control valve using a crosshead screwdriver. On the front side of the shower panel, use a flathead screwdriver to remove the button on the temperature lever. Next, use a hex wrench to loosen the temperature knob and remove the knob and ring. Remove the black plastic temperature lock. Then remove the screw in the white casing and pull it off. Using a face spanner wrench, remove the inside metal ring. Lastly, remove the temperature control valve by pulling it out gently with pliers.